Here you go, looking for a nice convertible that won't empty the bank account. Here's a 1989 Chrysler Tc by Maserati. It's about the third one of these I think we've had in the past 3-4 years. Always have sold for us. Interesting cars. A merger between Lee Iacocca and Chrysler and Maserati to come up with this. Now again, this one's a 1989 version. Would have the 2.2 liter turbocharged four-cylinder underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. This particular car is in Cabernet with the Bordeaux interior to it. It's kind of a burgundy on burgundy. 1989 was the last year you could get that. It was dropped in 1990, so you don't see as many in this color. Rich looking combination. Now of course this car has a detachable hardtop, which I have just leaning on our pad in the back there. Put it back on when I'm done with this video. And then it also has a manual soft top. This particular one is black in color. Fabric is in nice shape. There's a cloth top. And you can see pictures of it. You can see pictures of the hardtop on, top down, soft top up. See all the different pictures of this car at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. If you click on that, that's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too if you have any questions. 507-386-1726. I would call this a driver quality paint. It does have a nice luster to it. You will find some imperfections on it. It's a 30-year-old car, but you can see it's got a nice luster to it. The deck lid, I have some still pictures where I kind of pointed out it's checking a little bit back there, but not a bunch of nicks or dings or scratches up and down the side of this car. A little over 43,000 miles is what the odometer is showing, so should be in decent shape. And the Carfax does not indicate any accidents or anything like that. This car spent the majority of its life, all about 2-3 years, down in Missouri, so it also hasn't been in a northern state or where they use a bunch of salt on the roads or anything like that. So body seems to be pretty solid. And check out the still pictures. You can see those, like I said, on our website, and I'll hit that again for you. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Check with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Slip around so you can see the back. There's the Maserati logo incorporated with the Chrysler emblem. The 2.2 liter turbocharged engine. This was considered a pretty healthy, decent engine back in 1989. Again, you can see up and down the side of the driver's side here. Again, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. I'll see if I can get some of the, like back here, there's a little bit of just kind of checking or a little bit of age that is shown in the paint on the deck lid. But again, kind of a driver quality paint, I would call it. All right, let's check out the Bordeaux interior. The dash, steering wheel, and all of this in here was actually hand sewn Italian leather. This car was in the mid 30,000 range when it came out in the 80s. They had the polished door sills. Go ahead and start it up. Good running car. Then you can check out the exact mileage. What do we got there? 43,850, if you can see that. But no warning indicators or anything like that on. Power seats both sides here, the controllers. Has an infinity stereo system, Chrysler. And as you can see, the dash also nice shape. I just clicked on the air too. I want to say that the compressor does turn on and off as far as on the air. So the compressor is working. It's blowing cool for just starting it up. Not real cold, but yeah, just feels like it's getting a little colder. And compressor is turning on and off. smooth that engine runs. Slip around to the back. I mean, stock exhaust from everything that I can tell on it. May have had the muffler replaced along the years, but no crazy aftermarket sounding loud exhaust. I'm going to come up here, pause this a second, and let's pop the hood so you can check out the engine bay. Alright, see how tight it is underneath here. Hood struts do work also. Some of these older ones, those get a little tired. 2.2 liter turbo, inline 4-cylinder. Of course, power steering, power brakes also will go along with the AC. So there you have it, 1989 Chrysler Tc by Maserati. Still pictures, you can check out the underside, interior, top. Check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this vehicle to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Ask your sales associate when calling and or emailing.